everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the Dyson Airwrap review. I did the 2 different size barrels on the last review, and then I said I was going to do another review on these 2 just to see what they do and what they look like. As I explained on the last video, if you've not seen it, I'll link it in the description box. I did half of my head with the large barrel and then half with the smaller barrel to see the different styles, and then I'm going to do that today as well. So I'm going to do half with this brush, which I haven't had a lot of experience with this brush, but even before I got this set, but I just thought I'll give it a go and let's just see. And then half my hair will be straight because I'll just be drying it straight with this brush to see how well it straightens and how it feels and how it stays in and stuff. I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to just speed it up, so otherwise we're going to be here forever, and then I'll come back and I'll review them both at the end. So let's just get into the video. So that side is completely dry, and that took me not even 5 minutes to do. As you could see, I was trying to focus to get into the roots because my hair is so thick. And I'll give a proper review at the very end, but that literally took so quick and my hair feels so soft. So I'm going to do the other side with this brush. As I said, I've not really used it very many times, so maybe I'll get better at it, but I think I'll just have a go and we'll just see. so I've finished both sides, and this side is so smooth and so silky. Look, we'll talk about this side first. So this side took less than 5 minutes to dry completely, and considering my hair is really thick, that is quite impressive, because it does usually take me to do both sides at least 30-35 minutes to dry completely with just a normal hair drying brush. For how straight it is, I think it's quite straight really. I mean, it depends how straight you want your hair. I probably would go through the front bit to straighteners again, just so I know that they're going to stay in. They're going to stay nice and straight all day. But apart from that, I don't think I'd really have to go over all of it, so I'm really quite impressed. And as I said, it feels so smooth and so silky with straighteners, it never feels like that, so I'm really quite impressed with that really. So, and then this side, I need more practice. I think it's definitely something that you need to try and find your own technique using. I mean, I don't hate it. I think because my hair is quite heavy anyway, I think it's more work. Like, even my hairdresser says it's hard work to blow dry my hair in a curly blow. And I think that was only like the second time I've tried it, so I don't hate it. I think it's put volume in my hair, and I would go out with it like this, so it's not too bad. But I do think I do need a little bit more practice. What I did find with this brush was that with the barrels, you only have to use small pieces at a time, whereas this brush you can use larger pieces, and I found that this side got done a lot quicker. And if I was to find my own technique to like use it, I do think that I'd be able to blow dry my hair, or like do like a curly blow, a lot quicker than using the barrels, which is like, they took quite a bit, like a lot more time. But I think, as I said, I'm not mad at it, but I think it's definitely not the style that I was going for. And I do feel that if you don't put like hairspray or texture spray, then it will just drop, and I think it'll look a little bit more like wavy, which is, it's still nice. So I'm not mad. I still do think that the Dyson Airwrap is amazing, and I do think it's definitely, I've just kicked that tripod, stay. I do think it's definitely worth the price that you pay for it. So yeah, I think I'm going to try and master this side again, and then maybe in the future I'll do another review or another tutorial how to do it when I'm a lot better. So that's my review finished on the Dyson Airwrap. Like I said, I've got 2 videos on this being the second one, and yeah, so I'll link the other one in the description bar if you want to go and check that out, because I think I do prefer using the curling barrels, even though they do take that a little bit longer. But yeah, so anyway, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.